Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share text posts on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first up, please ensure that you've updated the TikTok app on your mobile device to the newest available version. Once you've done that, open up the TikTok app. Once you're in the app, tap on the big plus button at the bottom of the page. And then in the next menu that appears, select text. Now type in what you'd like your post to say. You can edit the appearance of the text just like in a regular TikTok video post. Tap on one of the coloured dots to change the text colour. Next, tap the A button to add an outline or background to your text. Tap the lines next to it to change your text alignment. Select the font to change the style of your text. Use the slider above to make your text larger or smaller, and then tap done when you're finished editing your text. Now you can add music or another sound from TikTok to your text posts, just like with any other type of post on TikTok. Change the background color for your post by tapping the colored circle on the right. You can also add stickers if you like. If you want to add a hashtag or mention someone in your text post, you can do so with stickers. When you're finished creating your post and you want to share it, tap on Post to Feed, or tap on Your Story if you only want this post to be temporary. Your text posts will appear on your profile and in your followers' feeds, just like your other video posts. And that's what it takes to share text posts on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.